Hi, in this video we will talk about XCode. XCode is an IDE provided by Apple, so you can do any of Apple project on it. You can work for macOS, tvOS, iOS, and so on. When you first launch XCode, you will see this screen. So to create new project, you just tap here, create a new XCode project. And after a while, you will see a menu where you can select a project. If you launch it first time, XCode may ask to make some additional setups. It's okay, just agree with everything it asks you. So when you launch XCode, you see this menu, and for now we just select single view app. It's a most simple app for iOS. Click Next. At this stage, you should create a product with name. So for me, it would be a Swift course. Organization name Xcode, it's my account name for now, it's okay. Organization identifier Olga Verona, it's my name, it's also okay. Why do we need it? It create a unique identifier to publish in App Store. So as now this project we are not going to publish in App Store, we can write everything we want, and it will not be a problem. Make sure that the language you select is Swift, and every mark is unchecked. We don't need core data, unit test, or UI test at the moment. So after you finish with it, you just press Next and create your project in any folder you like. It may be documents or any other special folder. For me, it would be documents, and I press create. And at this moment, my project is ready, and I even can run it on the simulator. So it may take a while, but after you run it, simulator is launched. It depends on your laptop or computer how long does it take. Usually empty product for first time take a few seconds. And here our simulator, it may be any of iPhones. You can choose which iPhone you want to run on here. So here full list, and you can choose any you like for test purposes. And after it will run, we will see an empty screen, just a white screen, and it is our app. We didn't create anything. We can find this screen in main storyboard. Here on the left, our file list, our folders, our classes, our storyboard is a place where all interfaces are created. Us is a place where we can use icons and images if we want to add them into a project. And also list files. It is a file for settings. So it's how Xcode look like. Here are files. Here in the center content of files, and on the right we have a description. I will send you a link to Xcode Navigator where everything is placed. What does mean this thing? It's unlinked. You can hide and show a panel you want to see. It have different views and so on. But for now, just make sure that you can launch an Xcode, that you can run a project on the simulator, and you don't have any problem. And it will be okay for now. Thank you very much for your attention,